photography. The word in itself has lost most of its meaning because of people nowadays mostly being focused on number of followers, likes and engagement. For me, I'm not into photography for gaining number of followers or likes. I'm into photography simply because it gives me happiness. The reason I started taking photos is because of my love towards nature, and I'm glad the reason is still the same. I love being close to nature, observe every tiny detail about it and capture those moments in my camera. The sound of the wind, moving leaves,